Okay, so hey, what's up guys? This is your friend Captain here is back with another weekly tech updates. So make sure you get up to date with all the news came down with this week. This is Captain here, you're watching Chiaras and Yaras, and welcome to the 29th episode of Weekly Tech Updates. Let's get started. Starting off with the Asus, we got a new laptop from the Asus with a lot of varieties of the processor, and those are the 12th generation processor. If you have to talk about the name, it is Asus ZenBook X14 OLED Space Edition. Yeah, it's a kind of related to the displays and that all stuff. All the other ways, the laptop looks really nice and it looks premium. AMD has announced 3 new graphic card in their graphics series, and these are into a lot of different sections. If you have to talk about those names, it is 69050, XT 67050 and 6650 XT, and these are the 3 graphic card, and kind of say they are creating some sort of competition into the market, which is really nice. Intel has gamed up with a Alder Lake HX CPUs, and it is a 16 cores for the premium gaming, and it is a workstation laptop while doing a lot of stuff over the things, and it is really nice. Like, new things are coming from the Intel, and yeah, we got some new competitions too. Neo 6 SE. The smartphone has been launched. It is around 23,000 INR rupees converted from the Chinese currency. It is powered by the Snapdragon 870 processor. 120Hz is on the display, which is a really nice thing. Recently iQOO Neo 6 was came up, and there are some chances that this smartphone will be coming to India, and there's gonna be a very first Neo-based smartphone from the iQOO to come in India. If you know, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is one of the classic and the latest processor from the Snapdragon. So Reno 8 SE. This is a smaller smartphone compared to the 8 and 8 Pro Plus or anything like that thing. And this smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 processor. And it also gonna be having Android 12 out of the box, while also on the top of it gonna be having a 50 megapixel triple camera setup. Reno 8 Pro. Yeah, the SE, the Pro version. And this smartphone is going to be coming really soon. However, there are some specs which has been teased around to us. It's gonna be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max. Yeah, to kind of say the latest from the 8 series processors from the Dimensity. If you have to talk about the display, it's gonna be powered by the BOE display. Yeah, it's a different thing. 32 megapixel sensor gonna be for the front side, 120Hz on the display, 6.67 inch of display is been expected. 4500 mAh with the polygon battery is also expected. V23i. Kind of say you might be thinking, hey, it's a Vivo. No, it's a Realme based smartphone. Realme also makes the V series, but it only kind of say it's in a limited competition only in China. And however, it get rebranded and launched in India. By the way, the smartphone specification has been developed. It's gonna be having a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. It's gonna be a kind of say a budget based 5G phone as per me, and it's gonna be having a dual camera setup, and kind of say 2 megapixel sensor gonna be on that dual camera. 5000 mAh with the polygon battery is really good thing on this phone and Dimensity. Realme Pad 5G. Kind of say this is expectations for this Realme's own verified 5G pad, and there's gonna be a very first time Realme announcing a flagship tablet from that side. It's gonna be having 2 variants. One gonna be having Snapdragon 870. It's gonna be a smaller size as compared to the bigger version. The bigger version will be having Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus as per the expectation. Also the bigger version, and thus both the versions gonna be expected to having a 120Hz display. On to the Realme GT 2 Pro. Then you might have got an update for your phone to fix that heating issues happening over the PUBG Mobile, or you can say the BGMI Mobile, and some sort of games. Make sure you update it so you can carry out some of the things which you needed on the gaming go. Vivo Y75. The smartphones in the Y series are kind of on the budget based form factor, and this is a 4G phone. Make sure you know that thing. It's gonna be launching by the May 22, and it's gonna be having 6.44 inches of display, kind of say on the bigger side. Vivo has launched a budget-based Android phone, which is the Vivo Y15C. This smartphone got a dual camera setup on the rear side, and it comes in the 2 different versions. 32GB and a 64GB are the 2 options for this T2 and T2 Pro. The smartphones are coming really soon, and however both the smartphone gonna be announced at the time as per the expectations. and it has been seen around on the IMEIs and Terra certifications. However, I am expecting that we're gonna be seeing a Z7 from the iQOO 2. Vivo S15 Pro, a kind of a say rebranding and Terra stock will be coming to India afterwards. However, this smartphones are expected to come with a really good things. On the top of it, it's gonna be having a 80-watt charging, which is staged up, and this smartphone is gonna be around the Vivo V24 for Indian version. OnePlus Ace Racing Edition. I like the design and all the stuff of the smartphone. However, on the top of it, it's gonna be having 64 megapixel triple camera setup, LTPS display, 6.59 inches of display, which is the full HD display by the way. Refresh rate and all stuff, I don't know anything about that thing. But the poster has been leaked up, as you can see on your screens. And in design wise, I like this phone's design. It looks really nice. Not 2T, a kind of a say type of a phone which has been launched or not launched. Anyways, the unboxing and each and everything has been themed up, and it looks okay as per the expectations. It looks just like that. However, I saw the unboxings and the design wise the phone looks kind of off. Anyways, if I do have to say so about this phone, it is expected to launch by the May 19th for globally, and even it is expected to launch in India. It is expected not launched or anything is confirmed yet. It is around 20,000 INR rupees has converted, and if I do have to say so, it is powered by the Dimensity 1300. Plus 10 all users. You got an update on your Android device, or you can say your Android device only. You got an update for fixing the high file issues, and you might be having a heating issues, and that also has been fixed up. So make sure you do it, because it might be appearing not, but it can't be happening to you afterwards. Nothing phone 1. Anyways, the smartphone is coming really soon by the way, but it is officially told it by the Nothing that it's gonna be selling their phones from the Flipkart, which is really nice thing for the Indian versions. So Nothing phone 1 is kind of near to the launch, and if you know it, specifications are 778G plus 5G processor. It's gonna be having some sort of bands also. It's gonna be having dual camera setup, flagship killer type of thing gonna be happening on this phone as per the Magic 4 Pro. This smartphone has been launched globally, and many reviewers have signed it up, and phone, it's normal phone. Make sure you check it out, links are in the icon for the specification and stock. Late 30. This smartphone has been also launched with the Snapdragon 480 plus, and if I do have to say so, 12 megapixel dual camera setup, no, 13 megapixel dual camera setup is that, and also the smartphone is having 5G connectivity. Galaxy Z Fold, or you can say Flip versions, 4th edition of them. It's gonna be teasing really soon. However, if I do have to say so, it's gonna be a kind of a say wider 108 megapixel sensor gonna be on the Z Fold, and kind of a say it's gonna be having a 25-watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yeah, it is upcoming phone for the 2023 and kind of a flagship from the Samsung. If I do have to say so, it's gonna be using a Samsung Zone ISOCELL H3 200 megapixel sensor as per the expectation. Samsung Galaxy A51 users, you are now receiving the Android 12 update, or you can say One UI 4.1. So make sure you do it. It is rolling out really soon. You also gonna be having. So make sure you be alert. Also on the top of it, Samsung Galaxy A31 is also receiving the Android 12 update and One UI 4.1. It is slowly receiving out. Russia's version has already been released. Motorola Razer 3, or you can say the Maven. Kind of say it is coming really soon. However, it looks a lot like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3rd edition, and it is that flip type of device, and yeah, you know that Razer thing. Edge 30, the normal version, has been launched in India with an aggressive price of 130,000 rupees. It is really has look as a Motorola design. It got a glass back, normal 778G plus 5G processor. It's the very first smartphone with that processor for the Indian version. Motorola Flex. This is a kind of upcoming phone from the Motorola. It is really upcoming. It's gonna be a flexible display, or you can say the rollable phone, and I'm expecting that this smartphone is gonna be really nice. Okay, so PS5 got restock, and yeah, it got sold out again in India. So yeah, it is getting a great response as for me, and many people are still getting PS5, and soon gonna be seeing a lot of those sold out. And yeah, we got a financial report of the 2022. 18 million plus units of the PS5 has already been sold out, and soon there is a used sale market expected for this PlayStation 5 So yeah, it is a really nice thing. Anytime you want a flagship from the Sony Xperia Mark series phones, 10 Mark 4, 1 Mark 4. These are the two of the, one is flagship, one is budget, and also on the top of it, Sony's Xperia s23, more budget phone, which is only for the Japan edition. It has been also launched. Phoenix Note 12i. This smartphone has been launched with a 50 megapixel camera setup and 5000 mAh of modern battery. It is a kind of launcher in Nigeria, soon going to be launching in India really soon. Nokia is bringing the n73's modern type of version. The smartphone, or you can say the n73 modern version, gonna be having a penta camera setup, and as per me, this is gonna be a flagship smartphone from the Nokia, but as they have told it that we won't be making any type of flagship, this is gonna be a kind of a different phone. iPhone 14 Max. This smartphone is an upcoming smartphone from the Apple in the iPhone 14 lineup, replacing the mini Max version is coming. And this smartphone gonna be having Apple's A15 Bionic. On the time, the expectations for the pricing is around, it is $899. Expected if we roughly convert to the Indian, it is 69,600. And kind of a say it is offsetedly heavy type of price. Okay, iPod is no more. Apple officially discontinued the iPod Touch, or you can say any type of iPod. Kind of say it was a very one of the most after the iPhones, most recommended product used by the Apple users. Apple AirPods Pro are going to be getting a kind of upgrade. Pro 2 are coming, and the Max 2 is also coming. Kind of say Pro are the earbuds and Max are the headphones type from the Apple. I'm not having that much issues with the older versions. They look really nice. They got some good things going on. But let's see what Apple is going to be upgrading on this newer version. I/O was there, and Google made a really good stuff announced. By the time Google Pixel 6, affordable Google Pixel 6 smartphone has been launched, it is $449. And kind of say if you are interested in the Google I/O video, then let us know in the comment section down below. Android 13 and that all stuff. Pixel 7 teased up, tablets got teased up, Pixel Watch got teased up, and many future plans are also been teased up. It is a developer stock, so yeah, it was mostly in the developer way. Also, Lambda 2 was also been teased up. So that's it for today. We got some new stuff announced, and really good stuff from the Google especially. I'm excited for the Nokia n73, the modern version, and it looks like a painting by the way, the photo. And what are your thoughts about the news and terror stuff? Let us know in the comment section down below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe for more content like this, and press the bell icon so you get stay tuned for this channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.